Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and I welcome you all to my session. Let's read our question. List the new Cartesian sign convention for the reflection of light by the spherical mirrors. Draw a ray diagram and apply these conventions for calculating the focal length and the nature of the spherical mirror, which forms a 1/3 times magnified virtual image of an object placed 18 centimeters in front of it. So the new Cartesian signs for the reflection of light are as below. The object is placed on the left side of the mirror. So the object is generally placed on the left side of the mirror, that is to this side. That is, the incident light falls on the mirror from the left. So that's the direction of the incident light. All the distances parallel to the principal axis is measured from the pole of the mirror. So we consider this pole to be the origin. All the distances which are measured to the right of the origin are taken as positive, whereas those measured to the left of the origin are taken as negative. Now, distances measured perpendicular to and above the principal axis are taken as positive, and the distances measured perpendicular to and below the principal axis is taken as negative. Now, as per the numerical given, the following data is given to us. That is, the magnification is 1/3, and then the object distance is given to us as -18. We have to find out the focal length and also we have to find out the image distance. So we are knowing that because it is a mirror, so magnification is given by -v/u, which implies 1/3 is equal to -v upon minus of 18. Therefore, v comes out to be 18/3 because these minus were getting cancelled. Therefore, v comes out to be 6 centimeter. Now, we are knowing the mirror formula as 1/v plus 1/u is equal to 1/f. So, we are knowing v as 6. We are knowing u as equal to -1/18. So, putting in the LCM, 3 minus 1, 18. It was 18. So, it's 2 upon 18. That is 1/9. So, the focal length comes out to be 9 centimeters. Because the focus is positive, therefore, it is a convex mirror. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.